In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Velo in Wix Studio. If you've been curious about adding custom functionality to your Wix Studio projects, Velo is the built-in development platform that makes it possible. To turn it on, you'll enable Dev Mode. This is the gateway to writing custom JavaScript, working with backend code, managing data collections, and even getting code suggestions from the AI assistant, all without leaving the Wix Studio environment. Here's how to access it. Look to the left sidebar of your Wix Studio editor and find the code icon. Click that icon, then select Start Coding. The moment you do, Dev Mode switches on, and an integrated development environment opens at the bottom of your screen. This bottom panel is your coding workspace. It's designed to feel familiar with a code editor, file management, and helpful tooling tailored to Wix components and APIs. You'll notice that you can now add custom JavaScript directly to your pages. The editor understands the Wix context, so functions related to page elements and events are easier to discover and use. When you need logic that should run securely on the server, such as processing data or interacting with external services, you can work with backend files. These keep sensitive logic off the client side and help your site stay efficient and secure. With Dev Mode active, you can also manage your site's databases. Collections let you store and organize content used across your site, from dynamic pages to repeaters. The IDE gives you access to the structure of your data and to the code that reads and writes it, so you can build richer, data-driven experiences without jumping between tools. Another powerful feature you'll see is the AI assistant. If you're not sure how to structure a function, need help with a specific API, or want a quick code snippet to get started, ask the assistant for guidance. It can generate boilerplate code and offer explanations that speed up your workflow. Always review suggestions to make sure they match your project's logic and data model. If the coding panel ever disappears, just return to the same code icon in the left sidebar to ensure Dev Mode is toggled on. And as you work, you'll find controls within the editor to save changes and test your site, so you can iterate confidently while keeping everything organized. That's all there is to accessing Velo in Wix Studio. Turn on Dev Mode, and the full development toolkit opens up right inside your editor, ready for custom code, backend logic, database management, and AI-powered assistance.